Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2013 Town and Country minivan, and I will show you how to remove and replace the driver's steering wheel airbag. This video will apply to Town and Countries made from 2011 all the way up to 2016. Okay, now before you start doing any work and disconnecting the airbag, you have to make sure to disconnect the battery, because you don't want this airbag activating on you. So make sure to disconnect the negative battery terminal. Okay, so once you have the battery disconnected, you can proceed to remove the airbag. Now the airbag is being held by two 10mm bolts. One will be here on this side, just behind this small cover, and the other one on the other side of the steering wheel, behind this cover right here. Okay, now to remove these covers you will need some kind of a small flat screwdriver or anything similar. Now somebody was trying to do this already in the past. This can be tricky to pop out. Now you can pop it out just through here, or just get inside here. Okay, so this is the idea. These covers have a couple of these plastic clips which you want to remove, and now you will get access to a 10mm bolt. You want to do the same thing on the other side. Once these are off, then you want to, just like I said, remove those two bolts. These are the screws, and once you have removed them, there is nothing else holding this airbag in place. You can gently pull it out straight towards yourself. And now the only thing left to do is disconnect the airbag. Okay, now to do that, first you'll have two connections right here, the black one and the yellow one. So I'll try to zoom this in. You'll have like two small clips, one on this side, one on the opposite side. So you want to press them at the same time and lift this up. You see? Just like that. I'll try to show you one more time. If I zoom it in. So you see one clip here and one clip on the other side. So you just want to press them together and pull out. Same thing with the other one. Now if you cannot do it with your fingers, you have to use something like a small pliers or anything you find handy. Okay, this is that one, and now you still have this black one right here. This one you just have to pull out. And this is how you can remove the front driver's steering wheel airbag on 2013 Chrysler Town and Country. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews, and other similar automotive topics.